What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jennifer Altman. I have been a Nesta fitness trainer since 2013. And here on my channel, you will find a lot of workouts, workout challenges, healthy recipes, hopefully more grocery hauls, and just some fun, healthy fitness stuff. If you know me, I have been passionate about my fitness journey since I don't know when. I want to start taking you guys along the journey as well. If you are new here, be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out. Okay, so today I figured I could take you along through my workout today. I just completed a 8-week summer ready workout challenge that I created. I had a lot of people join. We were in like a private WhatsApp group. It was so fun, like just encouraging each other. But it's coming to an end and I kind of missed my workout challenge, Let's Get Shredded. So, because guys, I was looking through my photos during that challenge and I'm gonna pop up a photo of what I looked like in that challenge. And I wanna get back to that. There was a reason why. Those freaking workout, dude, that was like the best structured workout plan I've ever created in my entire life. So I'm doing that challenge again. I'm excited. I know it's a lot. It is a lot. The workouts take a lot more time than my other workouts, but I'm here for it. I'm here for the challenge, guys. So today I'm gonna be hitting, I believe it's chest, triceps, and biceps. So I'm gonna take you along through that workout, but also I'm gonna be filming a 12-minute follow along workout video right before I do the weight training workout. So I'm definitely gonna be tired today, that's for sure. I've been doing a lot of 12-minute follow along workout videos also on my channel. I've been doing those before my weight training sessions. I know those workouts are great for people who don't have enough time for working out, and it's just a great way to fit in a workout. They're literally 12 minutes and they're killer, but I've been liking doing them for my warm-up. So I figured why not? Let's do that for the warm-up and then we'll get right into the weight training. So I'm gonna do that plus the chest, tricep, and bicep workout. So I'm excited. I'm super pumped to get back into this challenge because honestly, that was literally my favorite challenge. If you wanna know more about that, I will leave the link to the challenge in my description. This challenge is completely free. I also vlogged every week of the challenge on my YouTube. You can follow along with those videos as well. This challenge was great because there's a minimum of 4 workouts a week, but there's 2 workouts that you could do makeup days or extra credit. Great because during the challenge, you'll see in the vlogs, I traveled a lot and I had a lot of things going on, and I still looked like that. How? I'm so freaking excited to do this challenge again because it really pushed me and it really did show that you can have a life and still hit your fitness goals. So I'm excited for you guys to follow along with this workout. And if you want to see more of the workouts of this challenge, just comment down below and I'll do them for you. So I guess it's time to go to the gym. So let's get to it. Okay, so starting off today's workout, we're gonna be hitting chest, triceps, and biceps. Workout number 1 of my Let's Get Shredded challenge. So we're gonna start off with push-ups. We're gonna be getting 4 sets, 10 to 12 reps. If you can't perform these push-ups on the ground, I always suggest going on top of a bench and doing them incline. Moving on, we have our chest press. We're gonna be getting 4 sets, 10 to 12 reps per set. Today I'm just gonna be using dumbbells for the chest press, but you can always use chest press machines that are available at your gym. Moving along, after our chest press, we're gonna be hitting triceps. We're gonna be doing some dips. I like doing these on the side of a bench, but there are tricep dip machines you can use if you have them available at your gym. Highly suggest that machine because it really targets your triceps, but you can always do tricep dips this way if you're limited on equipment. Moving on, we have our lying pullovers. Here, I'm just putting my hands in L position, holding onto the dumbbell so that way the dumbbell does not fall on my face. This is great for your chest and also your lats. I like adding these to my chest day because you're also hitting your triceps as well. Okay, moving on to our pec fly. Here I'm just on the cable machine. There's a lot of pec fly machines you can use if you have those at your gym, but my gym has limited equipment, so I have to work with what I have, but I love doing pec flies with a cable. Moving on, we have our tricep kickbacks. Here I'm also using the cable machine. I'm leaning over, having my chest parallel to the ground and keeping my elbow glued to my side and kicking my arm back and squeezing my tricep with each rep. We're gonna be getting 10 to 12 reps for 4 sets. Next are our bicep curls. Here I'm just gonna be using the cable machine as well. I'll be using a rope attachment for this, and I'm keeping my elbows glued to my sides and curling up for each rep. We're gonna be getting 12 to 15 reps for 4 sets. And last but not least, we have our abs. So for this challenge, we have 100 reps. So I like to divide different ab exercises, and I do around 20 reps per set until I get up to 100 reps. This is great for the end of the workout. It's a ab burner for sure. And that wraps up for today's workout. Thanks for tuning in to my little voiceover. Okay guys, that wraps up today's workout. I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to let me know if you like these types of videos and I'll do more of them. And be sure to download this challenge at fitbyjennifer.com. It's free, so come join me and let's get shredded. Peace.